Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at what many mechanics, DIYers, and industrial users agree is the best Red N Tacky grease on the market. The Lucas 10005-30 Red N Tacky No. 2 grease. Let's dive into why this product has gained such a reputation across automotive and industrial settings, and whether it deserves a spot on your workbench or in your garage. The Lucas Red N Tacky grease comes in a 14.5-ounce cartridge, designed to be compatible with most standard grease guns. Just pop it in and you're good to go. But what makes this grease special isn't just the ease of use, it's the formulation inside. It's not just for aesthetics, it helps you visually confirm application coverage, and it's part of Lucas Oil's identity. What really matters though is its fortification with rust and oxidation inhibitors. That means better protection over time, particularly in environments where moisture or long idle periods can cause unseen damage. Now let's talk performance. This grease is engineered for mechanical stability, which means it won't break down under pressure, literally. Whether you're working on wheel bearings, chassis components, or heavy-duty agricultural or industrial machinery, this stuff is made to stay put. It's also excellent when it comes to water resistance and washout prevention. Grease getting displaced by water can lead to metal-on-metal contact, and that's where wear starts to kick in. Lucas Red N Tacky stands up well even in damp or wet conditions, making it ideal for trailers, marine applications, or anything exposed to the elements. This grease holds up under intense pressure and friction, which is a must when dealing with high-stress components like U-joints or suspension systems. And unlike thinner greases that can drip or melt away with heat, Lucas Red N Tacky holds its ground, even when things heat up. Storage life is another win here. You can stock up and keep it in your garage or shop for months, even years, without worrying about separation or degradation. That's critical for seasonal users who might not touch a grease cartridge for long stretches. Now, a quick heads up. If you're ordering from outside the US, especially to places like India, you might face shipping limitations. This product is not always available for international delivery, so you'll want to check with local suppliers or consider bulk pack options that do ship globally. Speaking of bulk, the same product is available in cases of 10 or 30 cartridges, which is perfect for workshops or commercial fleets where you're going through grease regularly. It's no wonder it's one of the most trusted options in both the automotive and industrial worlds. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used this product before, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more real-world reviews. See you in the next one.